Dovely Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Welcome to our full review of Dovely. All product links are included in the description below. Dovely is an AI-powered credit repair solution designed for individuals looking for an easy, automated way to repair their credit scores without the need for manual input. Unlike traditional credit repair services, Dovely offers a fully hands-off experience, using artificial intelligence to handle the entire dispute process on your behalf. The platform works by analyzing your credit reports from all three major bureaus and automatically identifying negative items that can be disputed. One of its core features is the automated dispute generation, which allows Dovely to send out dispute letters on your behalf, tracking each case and following up on any unresolved issues. Dovely also provides ongoing credit monitoring, ensuring you stay updated on your credit progress and any changes made during the repair process. The user interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy for anyone to navigate the platform without any prior experience in credit repair. For those who prefer minimal interaction, Dovely takes care of everything from start to finish, handling disputes, updates, and communications with the credit bureaus. One of the strengths of Dovely is its automation and simplicity, offering a truly hands-off solution for people who don't have time or knowledge to manage the credit repair process themselves. Additionally, Dovely's AI-driven technology is effective at analyzing and optimizing the credit repair process, which means faster results for users. On the downside, while Dovely is great for automation, it may not offer as much personalization as other platforms. If you're someone looking for highly customized dispute letters or a more hands-on approach to your credit repair, Dovely may not be the best fit. Also, its customer support is available but not as responsive as some competitors, so if you need urgent assistance, it might take a bit longer. In conclusion, Dovely is an excellent choice for individuals who prefer an automated, stress-free solution for repairing their credit. If you're looking for convenience and efficiency, this platform is a solid option. Check the description below for details on pricing, trials, and more.